Hello friends, welcome to my channel Timeless Foodies. If you are new to this channel, I make easy and tasty recipes, and do subscribe to my channel if you want to see such kind of videos. So today I am making a very tasty fresh paneer at home, and also making a tasty recipe with the fresh paneer, that is Paneer Tikka, which is very easy and quick. You can have it as snack, and the entire process that I'll be doing it today, I'll be showing it to you. So stay connected until the end of this video if you want to know how to make this fresh paneer at home and Paneer Tikka. So firstly, I have taken here 1 liter of fresh buffalo milk. So we have to boil it. So once it starts boiling, we can add over here, you can take lemon juice, also 1 full lemon juice you can add, or you can also use vinegar. Here I am using the vinegar that I have at home, unflavored white vinegar you can also use. For me it at least took 3 teaspoons of vinegar, so that we can bring the paneer, the cuddling will start up. So first you add 1 teaspoon. If you are using vinegar, first add 1 teaspoon and stir the milk and see if it is cuddling. If it doesn't, then you can add a second teaspoon as well. For me it took at least 3 teaspoons. So while I add it, I was stirring the milk to check whether the milk has been cuddling or not. So now you can see it, with the 3rd teaspoon it has cuddled. So now it's ready. So now we'll switch off the gas stove since the cheese is ready. So firstly I've taken a bowl and also a plate, and for straining out or draining out the water from this, I have to take a muslin cloth or a plain cotton cloth that you have at home. So we'll drain out this excess water to get that fresh cheese. Now squeeze out the extra water, and there should not be even little water in it, a drop of it as well. Now I have squeezed out the water and thrown it away. So we have to add normal water in this and wash this paneer, so that the tanginess because of the vinegar, that all will be removed, and it will be fresh and tasteless. Again I have to squeeze the remaining water from it, so totally squeeze it and we can throw off that water. Now this is done. So now we have to leave it aside. You can, with any shape that you want, you can make square or round shape. So now on this, fold this cloth and place a heavy object on it, so that if there is any little bit of water as well, that will come out, and it will also give a shape to the paneer. So it at least takes 5 to 10 minutes for this entire process. It's been almost 10 minutes. So now you can see I didn't have even a single drop of water coming out. So now this is how the paneer is ready. So now, since if you are making it immediately, you can cut it into small pieces and do it. If at all you require some more time, you can put it in the fridge and allow it to cool, and then you can make it a later part of the day. You can see how soft and easy it was. Now let's make the Paneer Tikka, the recipe. So I've taken a bowl, I've taken salt to taste. So this is the masalas that we'll be making, that will be going into the paneer. There is 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 full teaspoon of red chili powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of kasturi methi. If you don't have, you can add coriander leaves as well, or cilantro. Here I'm using Paneer Tikka masala, a ready-made masala that I have at home. If you don't have, you can skip it. Then adding almost 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil. Mix all this well. At this point of time, you can taste as well to see if the salt and the spices are sufficient. Then I'm adding here 1 full teaspoon, or you can say 1 tablespoon of hung curd. Mix all this well. So the paneer that I've got is approximately 200 grams for 1 liter of milk. So this is the masalas that will be sufficient for 200 grams of paneer or cottage cheese. Now mix all this masalas with the paneer. Now this is ready. So for the Paneer Tikka, I have the vegetable that I'm using over here is onion, 1 onion and 1/2 piece of green capsicum. So we'll cut this into cubes. This is done. So I'm using here 6 toothpicks that I have at home. Only 6 I have, so just with the 6 I will arrange it in a way where I can fry or roast the paneer and also the veggie. It's very soft. The paneer is very soft and gentle, so it has come really well. So having fresh paneer at home is very easy and quick and cheap as well. So this is all done. With the remaining paneer that we have, we can just stir fry it. Here it is, the remaining paneer, for which I was not able to fry it as in like with a toothpick. So mix all this well. You can have that as well. Now this is done. So take a small pan, add little bit of oil in it, a non-stick pan. Now we'll fry all the paneer so that it is nice and golden on all the sides. So we'll arrange it in that way that we also frying the paneer with a toothpick and also the veggies with the paneer. So here in low flame you can keep frying it slowly and turning the paneers as well, the paneer tikka, so that they get roasted on all the sides. You can add a little bit of oil on the top. So you can use vegetable oil, you can use mustard oil, that is your preference. So you can see how they are turning brown. So I'm just changing it, turning it on the other side so that all the sides turn a little bit of brown. You can see over here it has turned brown on one side. Here the paneer tikka, homemade paneer tikka is ready. So if you like this recipe, do hit the like button, and if you are new to this channel, do subscribe and click on the bell notification so that you are the first one to know the recipes that I upload. So here I'm checking the paneer and it is amazingly soft. You can see it came out so easily and it is very yummy and my kids enjoyed it. So here I am with a very new recipe. So see you in the next video with another recipe. Bye bye. God bless.